you here, I'll f you there, I'll f you everywhere, is what you said. That's exactly this.
Deputies in Florida respond to what initially sounds like a welfare check, but what they uncover quickly turns into something far more disturbing. She drove 2 hours away to commit this disgusting crime. Listen to the short 911 call, and be sure to watch the entire video of her crime and her arrest.
Walton County 911. We have a fleet of the scene. There's weed, underage kids. This little kid just left. They won't let me in the house. I'm trying to find my son's friend. And they won't let me in the house.
Okay.
They're underage.
What house
and they're
number?
smoking weed.
Okay, what's your name? And what's your son's name?
He's not here. It's my son's friend. I'm trying to find him to make sure that he's okay. Because he's underage. I don't know where he is. They told me he's in Seaside. I'm going to find him. Texted me, said, can you please leave me alone? I said, where are you? I'm on the phone with the cops.
Okay. Is he staying with you?
No, ma'am, he's not. They're on spring break. He goes to Moody. He's a junior at Moody High School. And he's with some people that I do not know. My son goes to Lee's, and him and my son have been friends since they were in, like, 6th or 7th grade, because they played football together.
Okay. Is your son with you?
No, my son is actually in Orange Beach, which is where I came from to check on him.
Oh, wow. Okay. Where are his parents?
I don't know. I'm about to call his mom. What I'm doing is I'm texting him to say I'm calling his mom, and that's gonna freak him out, because I'm like his second mother.
I mean, I'm going to make contact with you, okay? Are you parked right outside the address?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just stay in your vehicle for me, and I'll have it.
How
did you find out that he could be at this address, though?
Okay. I'm friends with most of my son's friends on social media. And we've all been down at Orange Beach. Well, my son and a bunch of people from Leeds, we've all been down, like, in the Orange Beach area. Goes to Moody. He is down with some people that I don't know who they are. He posted some stuff on Snapchat today, and I said, hey, are you at the beach? And he's like, yeah. And I said, well, hey, we're at Orange Beach. You ought to come, you ought to come see us or whatever. Because I wasn't sure what beach he was at. And I think the deputy mayor just pulled it behind me.
Okay, go ahead and make contact with him then, all right?
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Bye-bye.
When deputies from the Walton County Sheriff's Office arrive, the situation takes an unexpected turn. The teenager approaches them first, visibly shaken, and shows them messages that immediately raise serious concerns. At first, the teen engages with her, but once she says she's coming to pick him up, he shuts the conversation down.
Tracy,
can you do me a favor, step out of your vehicle?
Let me go, okay?
Yes. Hi. So, why are we calling this young man baby daddy?
you know what I'm talking about?
The whole
You know what I'm talking about? What my sergeant is talking about? Let me refresh your mind. And then that way, you make it easier for my sergeant.
I know.
So if you know why you're playing that game, talk to my sergeant. Yep. What they want to ask you?
It was a lapse in judgment. I had a little bit of drink this afternoon, and he was drinking, and I was concerned.
How old are you?
I'm 53.
And you are trying to have sex with a 17-year-old child. And you can't say you weren't, because it specifically states in there that you would even take him to the club and buy him liquor or whatever he wanted. I saw the text.
Oh no, ma'am, I did not.
Oh
say
yes,
that.
you did. Go ahead and read it.
You want me to refresh it again? We're gonna do. We're gonna play that.
Please, I did not say that.
Because you've now
did it?
crossed state lines.
No, sir.
We're not doing this. Are you positive? Are you positive about it? So you're telling me that my sergeant is lying?
No, I'm sorry. I don't think that I said that about buying him a drink.
Yeah.
So let's begin with this. So this is you, right?
That's me.
So this is you.
Well, that's. I don't know if
This
that's
is
my
not
current
you?
that is my picture. I don't know if this is my current picture though.
Okay.
On my text.
Okay. Now, I want to refresh your mind.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that way, I don't know I don't know if we could just make you read it. So you can embarrass yourself,
Okay.
your own self.
Okay.
But I just want you to see it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I'll read it to her.
I'll read it to her, absolutely.
I mean, she knows exactly what she wrote. She has it on her phone.
But it needs to sink in because she's obviously denying everything.
As deputies confront her with the messages, the denials continue, despite the evidence sitting right in front of them.
And it's literally.
I'm coming to see you. I'm already about halfway there. So if when I get there, do you want to go to the club? I'll go to the pub with you and maybe I can pick you up a drink and get you drunk and take advantage of you. Or maybe I won't.
You?
Maybe I'll
No.
just see you
Are you positive of
and
that?
see
I'm
me
positive.
and just turn around and go
You
home.
didn't do that?
No, sir.
So this is not your phone. That text message didn't come out of your
that
phone?
did not come out of I have not typed that.
So if we
So
look,
let me ask you a question. When I'm looking at this,
Yes, that's my picture. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
and when I'm looking at this
Yes.
and I have his phone in my hand,
Investigators say the teen's phone contained more than just messages. 2 photos, allegedly sent by Tracy, appear in the same message thread. One shows a patrol vehicle, the other a deputy outside the home, evidence that directly contradicts her claims.
a picture of my truck
I took a picture of
pops up on
I
this
know.
same feed.
because I took it on this same feed.
Mhm.
These kids are smart.
There isn't.
we're not doing
Listen.
that.
I think they're definitely smarter than you are.
I think they are.
Oh, no. We already determined that. I think you're the one who hasn't determined that yet.
That the
Because
kids
you're trying to sleep. You're trying to have sex with a 17 years old. Girls in the state lines to come and have sex with a 17-year-old, which you already sent it on your phone. You going to keep saying no?
It's there in black
earlier
and white.
earlier today,
Mhm.
we're staying in Orange Beach.
I don't care where you're staying.
Okay.
That's not where we're at. We are
I
on the
know.
text messages.
Yes, sir.
This is what we cared about. I don't care where you
That
live.
text message didn't come from me.
I did not.
It's in the same exact feed that you sent a picture of my vehicle.
I understand that, but I didn't. I did not write that.
At one point, a deputy reads aloud a series of explicit messages, making the nature of the conversation impossible to ignore.
Well, this here is you.
Jesus.
The whole
I'll you out there. We'll drive back to Orange Beach, and I'm gonna you out here, and then I'll drive back to where you gotta go, and I'll you again. I'll you here. I'll you there. I'll you every where. Is what you.
That's exactly the same feed
I
when
did
you
sa-
said, I'm calling the cops. I'm on the phone with the cops. That wasn't you?
That I did say, and
So the part where it says having sex with the boys, that's not you. But the one that shows my sergeant card and say I'm with the cops, that's you?
yes.
That is very convenient, isn't it?
I mean,
It's the same. It's the same
Listen,
word.
just
I will
listen,
hand you
at
my.
this point.
Would you like my phone?
Listen, at this point.
Would you like my phone?
All right, I don't need your phone.
Okay.
At this point, yes.
Yes, sir.
Listen up. At this point, let's stop it.
Yes, sir.
Because we don't even know yet. We haven't made that decision.
Yes,
If we could charge you
sir. Okay.
with a crime and leave you in the state.
Okay.
Okay? So give us just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Let us make that decision to see if we have enough to get you in handcuffs
Yes, sir.
and bring you to jail.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to be honest with you. At this point, we're trying to
Because this is sick.
figure it out. Oh, yeah, it's definitely sick. At your age?
Stand by.
Yes. How to charge you with a felony. We have charges. We're trying to how to charge you with a felony. I'm being as honest as I get. Don't you think it's kind of dirty?
It is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You literally travel state lines to have sex with a minor.
No, sir. That was
And you keep saying no?
what I explained to him was.
Because that's what the judge will see. The judge will, you can lie to me all you want. But once we submit all this evidence to the judge will see that. You're going to tell the judge that we were lying, that your phone was lying.
May I say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Any questions that you have?
Yeah, okay.
I just want to make sure
No.
that you know that.
Yes, and the thing he made an advance
Like what? What kind of?
over Snapchat Because like I said,
Do you have it? What did he say?
no, because he deleted his Snapchat,
Oh, okay.
so that it's gone.
What did he say? Do you remember?
Okay, so I mentioned that like 2 years ago he made a comment that he thought I looked really pretty and that he was thinking about me, and I totally shut it down.
Okay. Which that's
And that
the
is
right
how
thing
I
to
would
do.
yes, and that's how
Yeah.
I would always do.
Right.
Unfortunately, I was feeling a little lonely and I stupidly responded to when like he did on the little Snapchat. If they did like a little TikTok dance, I said,
Okay.
"Oh, were y'all at the beach?"
Right.
And he said, "Yeah." And I said, "Oh, well, we're in Orange Beach. You should come and visit with us." I'm not thinking anything.
Sexual.
No. He's my son.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
that doesn't mean anything.
Well, but
Yeah.
to me it does.
Okay.
To me it does because he's like a son to me.
As the evidence builds, the tone of the conversation shifts. Under pressure, her story begins to change and parts of the truth start to come out.
Well, you just want to have sex with
No.
him on the text message.
I know I said that, and it was a terrible
Mistake.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes.
So what would?
Yes. I told you I had a little bit of wine and some leftover
I completely understand that.
coconut dessert
Yeah.
from the place that
Yeah.
we went to dinner last
Yeah.
night, and I was laying there by myself feeling sad and lonely and sorry for myself,
we
and
completely
someone was giving
understand.
me attention.
Yeah. And you really thought that you were going to be able to have sex with this 17 years old?
No, no. It was just kind of a banter, and it was wrong. It was absolutely wrong.
But you drove from Orange all the way here for what? For an adventure?
Yes. I drove over.
What about the text messages that you want to have sex with him and bring him to the club and give him alcohol, which is illegal as well?
I did not. That is not in my phone.
Ma'am, you continue saying no. We just literally proved to you that it's on your phone, which you deleted.
Could you show it to me again? I didn't see that. Could you show? I'm sorry.
Oh no, I have it on. We have it on our phone. He has it on our phone, on his phone. It's being recorded already. Yes.
I did not send that text from
yes,
my
ma'am,
phone.
You did. Yes, ma'am.
Could you show it to me where I deleted it off my phone, please? Could you?
I'm not going to teach you how to do that.
I mean, no, I know where to go and find delete.
Okay, well then you go and find the same way you delete them.
I don't
just
know how
go back.
I don't know how to find deleted texts.
That's why we were able to find it, because you don't know how to completely delete it from your phone. You know how to delete a text, but you don't know how to complete.
No.
That's how I.
Yeah. I mean, every once in a while.
I understand.
Every once in a while, I'll delete a text. It's not.
Yeah, but the texts are not deleted from your phone.
Normally, if I delete a text, I delete.
That's okay. It's just a sprinkler.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right. That's okay.
I thought it was a snake. A very loud snake, like a cobra.
Snakes?
A cobra.
Does a snake sounds like that in Alabama?
Huh?
Do the snake sounds like that in Alabama?
Snakes.
Well, yeah, really. It just.
No, hold it for me. Go ahead, turn around for me.
Yeah. Here we go.
Give me your other hand.
No longer needed.
You're under arrest, okay?
Yes, sir.
You know why you're possibly under arrest?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, well, we'll talk about it.
Okay.
One of the charges is for using a
Electronic.
electronic device to solicit.
Wow.
Third-degree felony.
That's about the station.
You're going to have to register as a sex offender now as well.
Possibly. Amy, and Natalie subject 1012 refusing to leave.
Key. I mean, I've got some jewelry on.
Well, yeah, there's coming signal 22 Victor, updated 014, complaint advising she's 1012 with her baby. This has been an ongoing issue between her and the male party. 1037 here, the other female yelling in the background. The Nick subject is known for violence. Got the complaint 2 weeks ago. Nick is currently 1012 inside the home at the time.
when another female underage texted the front door. The Natalie subject still following the plan at the time.
If you have anything from this point on, you take it into the jail. It will be a felony charge.
That might not. Go ahead, take a seat for me.
Do I sit in my rear end?
Yeah, however you want to get in there. All right. Okay. Do me a favor. Place that button. So move your car off and grab your seatbelt.
Court records later show she pleaded no contest and was found guilty of traveling to meet a minor after using a computer to lure a child. She was sentenced to 21 months in prison, followed by 3 years of sex offender probation. She is now a registered sex offender in the state of Florida.